5 investing skills only millionaires know. Being a good millionaire is good, right? Probably you want to be one and you will do your best to get into the category of millionaires. Apart from an inheritance, you will not be a millionaire if you do not put measures in place and come up with the necessary strategies. Sometimes you may have to make serious decisions to increase the amount of income that you make on a day-to-day basis. Being a millionaire is good and the benefits that come with it are immense. It's a sure way of helping the people because when you get rich, then the chances of the people around you being richer are higher. Before we continue in the video, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell notification button so that you'll be notified every time we make an upload. Here's the investing skills only millionaires know, and they've helped them maintain their millionaire status. Number 1. Invest in the property as much as you can. Inflation can be a beast and an enemy to your journey of being rich, and that's why it's important to own your primary residence as soon as you know where you want to live. Please note that real estate is the only investment that appreciates. Let me give you an example. When you buy a house for $580,000, the value of the property will appreciate probably by 3% per year. Your return on investment will be around $17,400. Does that sound good? It probably does. Don't waste your chances of making wealth. Real estate is your best bet because it will guarantee you returns and will enable you to make more money in the process. The other important reasons why you should invest in real estate is that the sector enjoys tax breaks and deductions that can enable you to save money at tax time. Real estate investment is therefore important in the short run and the long run. The biggest challenge when it comes to investing in real estate is the higher initial costs required for you to invest in the sector. Did you know that you can also increase your return on investment by renting your property and getting the rental income? Most of the millionaires in the world have invested in real estate, and that enables them to increase their income streams. Number 2. Invest in a venture that provides solutions to the problems that people face in society. A good business should provide solutions to the problems that people face in a society. Having a business that solves societal problems will enable you to make a profit because there will always be demand for your products and services. For instance, many people in society get sick, and as a result, they need quality healthcare that will improve their health. A good business person will provide the best healthcare solutions, and as a result, he or she will make profits. Number 3. Stack talents on talents. Warren Buffett said, investing in yourself is the best thing you can do. Anything that improves your talents, nobody can tax it or take it away from you. Investing in yourself and improving the skills that you have is a sure way to solve societal problems and make wealth as well. If you're a doctor with a clinic or a hospital, you have to find modern healthcare solutions that will solve the health challenges that people are facing in society. Get more skills such as design, public speaking, persuasion, technology, and writing, and learn new languages. That will enable you to serve clients better. Number 4. Commit to being a lifelong learner. I realize that most millionaires read a lot, something that gives them the knowledge that they require for their business and life in general. Lifelong learning will provide you with knowledge on the available opportunities and the best way to deal with competition, hence enabling you to increase the amount of money that you make in society. Lifelong learning also gives you the necessary skills that you need to interact with the other business associates and how best to invest in increased returns. Dedicate your time and resources to get more knowledge and information that you can use to improve your life in the best possible way. Number 5. Streamline your decisions. One of the main reasons why you're not a successful millionaire is the decisions that you take and how you deal with various situations in society. Did you know that sometimes you waste more time thinking about what you want to do when you could streamline your decisions and have it done easily? You may invest in a planning tool that enables you to keep track of your investments. Your decisions should be streamlined to match your goals. In conclusion, investment decisions and strategies are an important factor in your success as a businessman. The best way to make millions is to start having a business venture that will solve a problem in society. Find out the ventures that you're interested in. Find out the best way to make it better and provide value to those clients. Put the clients first and you will make more money as time goes by. And that is the best way to make wealth. Do you want to get such videos in the future? Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell notification button so that you'll be notified anytime we make an upload.